Hello guys, welcome to Sweet and Savory Healthy Treats. Today in this video we are going to make banana bread. Let's get started. The ingredients you will be needing is bananas, 3 eggs, almond flour, salt, baking soda, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, and olive oil. Now we mix. After you're done mixing, you're going to grab I don't know how to say this, but like a pan to put your banana bread. You can do a spray or butter, but I'm gonna do this avocado oil spray. You're going to preheat your oven to 350 and you're also going to bake 40 to 45 minutes. This is what the banana bread looks like, and thank you for watching Sweet and Savory Healthy Treats. Enjoy! Bye!